So guys, in this video, I'm gonna explain you about the options we get in magnet button. So when we press and hold the magnet button, we will get more options. And all these options are related to time grid. Now suppose I click on 1/6 step. And we know that this is first step, this is second step, and this is third step, and this will go on. So what actually will happen now is it divides the distance between the steps into 6 parts. So when you move the track will stop 6 times before reaching the next step. And in the same way, it will stop 4 times if you click on 1/4 step. Now if we click on step, we can able to move our track only on steps, not in between. Now same thing will be happen with the beat. If we choose 1/4 beat, we can able to move our track 4 times before reaching from one beat to another beat. And if we choose beat, we can able to move our track from one beat to another beat. And if we choose bar, we can able to move our track from one bar to another without making it stop in between. So guys, this is the last part of the magnet and I hope you guys understand about it. So have a nice day guys. Bye bye.